Guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So today's video is about pre-enrollment on Universitaly for study visa 2026-2027 academic section. So as you all know, as an international student planning to come to Italy, you must pre-enroll on this platform to get your pre-enrollment summary that you must submit alongside other documents to get your visa, to be able to apply for your visa. So we're going to go straight into the video to show you how to do that. Note that if you already applied to maybe more than one university and you're gotten admission from 2 or 3 universities or more, you can only pre-enroll to one university. And for those of you who will be applying to schools directly on directly on this platform, also know that once you pre-enroll to one school, you cannot pre-enroll to another university. So guys, let's go straight into the video. So you're going to come here to this icon of this human being icon. So you're going to come here, click register. So you're going to put your name, your surname, your email, your phone number. You select your state of birth, date of birth, your genotype. Sorry, your gender, citizenship. Then here he said the feed is calculated automatically. Click on the nib to modify it or on the arrows to recalculate it. Okay. So your task code will automatically generate for you. So here you're going to choose your document type. That's your passport, to be passport that you choose here, which is passaporto. Then you put your document number, that is the number of your passport, the released by the institution that released it, that's immigration, or you put Nigeria, valid to, that is the date was issued, the date was expired. You come here, state of residence, you choose, you put this is your postal code, then your address. Then here you're going to create your password. The password must be at least 8 characters long. Please take note of what they require. You confirm the password and then you click this registrati. Okay, so after you finish registering, it says an email with instruction to verify your email address has been sent to you. So you have to go and then we'll go to your email address, then you click the link that have been sent to you. Okay, so when you have clicked on the link that is sent to your email, you've already verified your email address. So now we're going to log in with our login details. Okay, so you're going to come back to this place. Okay, so you put your login details. When you come here, okay, my computer automatically changes it to English, or you can come here and click English. Okay, so here you can just go through your personal data again if you want. Now to start the pre-enrollment application, so it says here extra EU students, that's where we fall in, national students, pre-enrollment application for a study visa for Italy. So you're going to click here English. Okay, so you really understand what you're doing. So you're going to come here. You can read this information. So you go to new pre-enrollment application. So here you're going to choose the academic year, which is the one of 2026-2027. So here you see your name, your details, they're all here already. All your details are here already. Note that this task code is not the one you will use when you come to Italy. You're going to change it and request for it at Agenzia di Entrata. So you go to step B. So here you already have your passport number here and the expiry date. So here you're going to upload a picture of your face. That is your passport picture. Then here you're going to upload your passport. Okay, your international passport. Take note of the MB. Okay, then here it says where will you apply for your visa. So it depends. Ambassador de Abuja or Lagos, you can choose any one of them. To apply for your visa, you can choose anyone. So let's say Lagos. So it says specify the reason for your visa application. I want to enroll in a study course. Okay, here institution. So here I'm going to choose Università, the institution name. So you're going to choose the university that's giving you admission. Okay, you're going to choose the university that's already giving you admission. So you just search, let's say Politecnico di Bari, for example. The course type, Laura is BSc. Lama Magistrale e Ciclo Unico is like those that's going for medicine, those 5 years course, or you're going for dentistry, or you're going for law. Then Mara Magistrale is the one that is the normal 2 years master degree program. Okay, your program is in English language. So here, course name, you're going to now choose the program you are going for here. Okay, so let's say mechanical engineering. Okay, if you know your course curriculum too, you can choose it. Okay, so let's say under this program, the course curriculum. So please, you need to really find the information on the website. That's your admission letter. This information should be there. If there's anything that is not clear, please do well to contact your university and ask them. Okay, so let's say mechanics English, course location is already showing Bari. You're going to put your ID account. So you go to your portal, you will find ID account at the choosing university. Go to your portal, you will find your ID account. It's on your application that you made. Okay, or it's on the university portal where you got the admission. Is there, so you just put it there. Then you go to step C. Okay, so this is step C, and I think this is the last step here. So here you're going to upload the qualification that allow access to the choosing course according to the information provided by the institution or higher education with any translation and supporting documents and language certificates. So at this point, if you already have your DOV, you already have your CHIMIA certificate, your translated documents, your BS certificate, everything, you're going to upload it here. Okay, so you're going to upload your BS certificate here. Language, so here language qualification and language certificate. So if you use language certificate, you click it, you upload. Okay, then you come back, you choose your final diploma, you click it, you upload. As you're doing it, you're writing the name here. Okay, then you do upload qualification. You come back here. If you already have your CHIMIA statement, you do the same thing. If you already have your DOV, that's declaration of value, you do the same thing. So by the time you finish uploading everything, letter from recommendation, you see everything. If you have your translated documents too, you can also upload the certificate of English proficiency. That's the one from your university. You upload. Once you're uploading, you write the name here, you upload it here, you click upload qualification. Okay, so this is where you upload all your documents that you already have. Then when you are done, you're going to click summary. Okay, so note that if you have any change to make, for example, please do well to communicate with the school. You see it here now. Say, do you need help? These are the information for University of Bari, because I chose Bari. So this is the people you will contact for anything. They're the only ones that can open it up for you to make any adjustment if need be. But we advise that try as much as possible when you're making it, be very careful that everything goes well. So when you finish, you click summary. So when it's approved, you will now download your summary to take along with you on your legalization date. That's if you've not already legalized your document. If you've not, that's if you're already if you've not already legalized the document. If you already legalized the document, then you just hold it and go with it on your visa submission date. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Please like my video, help me also share it, encourages me a lot. All right, guys, thank you. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section. And if you know you are planning for 2027-2028 academic session, the time to start is now. Okay, the time to start is now. Don't wait till next year or when admission starts. Start preparing now. You can start booking for appointment from now. Don't forget, you can book me for consultation. You can also join my Telegram paid group. It's not for free, yes, where I offer assistance and also offer guidance to students. All right, guys, thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye.